Hello students, you all are welcome in your online class of English. Today we are going to study chapter 1, Apologize by Sigrun Srivastav. What is the meaning of the title? It means to say sorry or to express regret for something that one has done wrong. It means if you have done something wrong, then you have to apologize for this. It is an interesting story which has been written by Sigrun Srivastav, who is an Indian writer of German origin. She is a great writer. As a writer, she has written over 25 books for children of all ages. Her famous stories are Fight Manju Fight, My Friends and I, etc. Language is the most important means of communication. Beginning from the age of sign language, the world has come a long way in terms of the evolution of language. Let us study the summary of the chapter. Actually, the story deals with the problem of understanding a new language, Dutch, by an Iranian boy in a school in Amsterdam, Holland. The boy, who belongs to Iran, has come to Amsterdam. Although he is learning Dutch language for the last 6 months, yet he is not comfortable to take that language, which creates a problem for him. One day, while rushing out, the boy hit with a girl that made her lunchbox spill over the floor. He went out without looking at her. Then she complained the two boys, and all of them came to the boy and asked him to apologize. The Iranian boy kept silence. They kept on asking him to apologize. He answered, no. That made them angry. Just because of that, all of them misunderstood that the boy was too arrogant or proud because he is not ready to apologize. Then they started to beat and punch him with knotted fist. Hold it, stop it. A voice came, and two strong hands grabbed the children by their collars and pulled the boys away. It was Jan van die Meer, the captain of school football team. The person inquired them about the issue. All of them reported that the boy was too proud to apologize after creating such a problem. He then asked the boy to reach out his hand and apologize. He too asked the boy to apologize for 2-3 times because the captain also wanted him to feel sorry if he has done something wrong. But the boy, means the Iranian boy, continued saying no. He then asked why. With a sobbing voice, the boy replied that he didn't know the meaning of the word apologize. It means that he was unable to understand their language. So we can say language becomes a major problem for that Iranian boy. Hope you have understood about the story. Thank you.